How to fix Snapchat verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat verification code, then the first thing you need to do is you have to check the phone number. So if you have given a right phone number or the right email address on which you are receiving the code. So if you have provided the wrong information, then the code will also be sent to that wrong information. So simply first check the details, and then even after checking the details, if you are not receiving the code, then you can simply open up your settings and you can go for apps and notifications, and here you can go for see all apps, and you can simply scroll down and find messages, and after searching for messages, here you will have storage and cache option. You can simply tap on that and then go for clear cache, and after clearing the cache on your messages, now you can go back and you can open up your Snapchat application, and then you can go for storage and cache, and here also you can do that clear cache which is on the right side, or you can also tap on clear storage if you remember your login information. But if you don't remember, then don't tap on it, and then you can go back. And even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store and then make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find that kind of problem. So open up your Snapchat, and after searching for Snapchat, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Snapchat application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then the last way is to uninstall your application. You can simply hold on to that Snapchat, and here you will have app info, tap on that, and here you will have uninstall option. You can simply tap on uninstall, and then you can again tap on install, which is on the Play Store, and after installing you can log into your account, and then you can fix that issue. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.